Hello, my name is Malcolm and I'm the Technical Advisor at the Magic Thermodynamic Box Company. The world moves on and so do our products. We're continually improving the performance, and here we have version 2 of our little magic box. Today we're going to replace it with our version 3, which we proudly have made in Britain. The video will show the installers taking this box off the wall and replacing it with the new version. We place one thermodynamic panel on an exterior wall of the property, such as here. The panel is made of aluminium and is very durable. It acts as an evaporator and contains a man-made blend of refrigeration gas known as R134A. This gas is ozone friendly. The panel absorbs energy from the ambient air and also from the environments of wind, rain, etc. This is our brand new British-made little magic box. As you can see, it's the size of a microwave. The little magic box circulates the water and heats it to 55 degrees. We have undertaken rigorous testing of the new British little magic box and have increased the performance considerably. All the components are sourced in Europe, and I will now explain each one individually. The little magic box is connected to the power supply by a fused spur. We have the power cord, and you'll notice that it has a connection in the front, allowing for it to be replaced at any time. We also have a cord which lays up against the side of the cylinder and records the temperature. The box has been designed for ease of maintenance, and everything is insulated to a very high standard. We have the refrigeration connections on the side and a sight glass for the F-gas engineer to diagnose the system. The refrigeration gas goes to the compressor, which has a nominal rating of 600 watts. The compressor squeezes the gas, creating heat. The hot gas is then transferred to the plate heat exchanger in the corner of the box. The stainless steel plate heat exchanger is extremely efficient as it offers a large area for transfer of the heat from the gas to the water. After transferring its energy, the gas cools down and is then passed back to the outside panel to be reheated. The refrigeration circuit is sealed and requires no maintenance and no top-ups. The water is drawn from the top of the cylinder by this Globus pump. The Globus pump is high-tech, made of a composite material. It is light and very energy efficient. The pump sends the water to the plate heat exchanger. Once the water is heated, it is returned to the water cylinder. Air can be extracted from the system by means of the pump or an air extraction valve at the top of the piping. As part of the offering, we also have a Globus accessory pack. This includes 2 full-bore 30cm flexible hoses which attach to the water connections. These stop any possibility of vibration through the pipework. For the fitting, we also recommend vibration feet, which have been specially designed for the little magic box. We also recommend the installation of 2 lever valves on the water flow and return. On a vented system where there's low pressure, a flappy paddle or penny type non-return valve. As we use a plate heat exchanger, we recommend the installation of a Y filter to stop any possibility of contamination. All the components in the Globus pack have been specially selected for their quality. We highly recommend that they're used in the fitting of the box. The box has excellent insulation and is extremely quiet. On the front of the box is a digital display. This shows the temperature of the water within the cylinder. The thermostat can be configured anywhere between 20 and 55 degrees centigrade. What happens is that the water is heated until it reaches the thermostat control, let us say 55 degrees. The system then cuts out and doesn't start up again until the temperature reduces to 50. The British Little Magic Box has now been installed. The box has been positioned above the water cylinder, however it could be located to the side if required. The water cylinder is heated to 55 degrees top to bottom. When water is drawn from the cylinder, the temperature will reduce, and when it gets to 50 degrees, the compressor will cut in and boost the temperature back to 55. Therefore giving you hot water all the time. I can now show you the system with all the components added. We start with the refrigeration piping with the flow and return, which link into service ports on the side of the box. We also have flexible hoses on the water circuit. This ensures that the box is isolated and vibration free. Also in the hydraulic circuit we have lever valves. That ensures that we can isolate the box from the water circuit. Other items included: the box is mounted on vibration free pads, and there's a Y filter to ensure that we have no contamination in the water getting into the plate heat exchanger. The thermostatic cord is connected to the middle of the water cylinder, and that is the temperature that's reflected in the display. We provide a heat transfer paste to ensure a good contact with the water cylinder side. As part of the customer care, our Globus Installers Pack also includes 25 metres of carpet protector. With the box installed, the homeowner can expect very low running costs and have hot water 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.